Good morning, students. I am Graphical, and today I am going to teach you class 10th mathematics of chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Students, before I start the chapter, I want to convey some message that nowadays we are doing the online classes, so we continue and take all the safety measures, take precautions, stay in your homes and continue with efficiently and dedicatedly the online classes which are going. Students, in this pair of linear equations in two variables of chapter 3, already we have taken the several classes. Just I want to revise once again. Student, the equation, it is very clear that expression over condition of equality is called equation, and pair of linear equations, that is two linear equation. Question is that linear equations, the equation which has the power of 1 on the variables, and this such type of linear equation containing two equations, this is the pair of linear equation, and it is in two variables. Two variables means either xy, yz, that is two letters of alphabets, that is which is starts from A into Z. Two letters is utilizing to write the variable. So two linear equations in two variables. Today we have to study about this one, and in the revision part I think already you have completed exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3 also. So students, just I want to once again go in our previous classes. In previous classes I think this pair of linear equation in two variables containing in exercises 3.1 and 3.2 and 3.3 also, and in these exercises we can say that this pair of linear equation was in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two equations are having a1 and a2, b1 and b2 and c1 and c2, that is these are the alphabets of 26 letters of English. So a1 and a2, these are the coefficient of x, b1 and b2 are the coefficient of y, and c1 and c2, these are the constant terms. Students, this such type of equation I think you have already studied, and this representation and solutions, this can be represented and solved by two methods. One is the graphical method, another is the algebraic method. Students, in graphical method we draw the graphs by taking the different points on the graph paper, and the pair of linear equations comes two equations on the graph paper. So three conditions may be arises: either they will intersect to each other, or they will parallel to each other, and third case is coincident to each other, that is coincide to each other. So students, by drawing the graphs we can find that if the graphs is intersecting to each other, that is the consistent system and its solutions will be unique. Another is if the graphs of two linear equations are parallel to each other, system will be inconsistent and there will not be any solutions. And third one case is coincidental case. In such conditions we can say that system is dependent and consistent and infinite many solutions can be obtained. Students, in algebraic method, without drawing the graph, we can find by this testing of three cases. First case is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. You can check and the coefficient of a1, coefficient of x, that is a1 by a2, and coefficient of y, that is b1 by b2. If it is not equal, on such conditions we can say that system is consistent and unique solutions can be obtained and they will intersect to each other. That is, in graphical method they will intersect to each other. Second case is if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. On such conditions the system will be inconsistent and there will not be any solutions and graph will be parallel line to each other. Third case is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. On such cases system will be dependent and consistent and infinitely many solutions can be obtained. So by drawing the graph you can see that will be the coincide to each other, that is one line over the another line, that is in one line represent the two lines. When we will draw the graphs, both the equation of the graphs of the straight line will come one over the another. So these are the three cases and just I want to say that this such type of equations, that is linear pair of equations, can be solved with, that was the representation. Another part is the its solutions. These solutions of the linear pair of equations can be obtained by three methods. First is the substitution method, second is the elimination method, and third is the cross multiplication method. Students, in earlier classes we have already learned the substitution and elimination method. In substitution method, I think very easily we can find the solutions by taking the values of x in terms of y and this value of x in terms of y we put in the another equation and we can get down the values of y in first. After that we put the values of y and we obtain the value of x. This is called substitution. While in the elimination method we multiply by the specific coefficient in both the equations and after that either x or y terms will be cancelled in one time. After that we put the value in another equation, we can get down the next values. Suppose we have eliminate y, we get the x, and this putting the value of x we can obtain the value of y. This is called elimination method. Third one is the cross multiplication. Students, I think it is new for you. This one trick I am giving to you. First of all, you write in this way by cross methods. This is cross method, so its name is cross multiplication method. First you write b1 b2, last b1 b2, that is b1 and b2 again b1 b2 in last term. After that, after b what will come? C. So you write c1 and c2 and remaining is a1 and a2. So this is the trick. In the edges in the first edge you write B1 B2 and last edge also you write B1 B2. After that, after B, C is coming, so C writes C1 C2 and remaining is A1 A2. Next what we will do, you take here x, that is x by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to y divided by C1 A2 minus A2 C2 A1. Third one is 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. After putting the values of the coefficient of x, that is A1 A2, coefficient of y, that is B1 B2, and constant term C1 C2, very easily in 2 steps directly you can find the values of x and y. So there are the 3 methods, that is substitution method, elimination method, and third one is the cross multiplication method. Students, very easily these values can be obtained of x and y. Students, by knowing this one, I think by applying this formula in 2 steps only you can get down the value of x and y. In higher classes, this such type of method in higher applied mathematics it is called as the determinant method, which we will study in the higher classes. Now we will understand it and named as cross multiplication. Students, by knowing this such type of concepts, you can solve the exercise 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6 also, and very easily you can solve. Students, try to solve the questions which is given in 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6. And once again I want to revise that in this chapter nothing, only 2 equations, linear equations has given in 2 variables, and there are the 2 things, that is representation and solutions. Representation, that is how we can represent by algebraic method, and graphical method. In graphical method you can draw the graphs. 3 cases will be arises, either the intersect or parallel, and third one is the coincident to each other. While in algebraic method we can very easily, in algebraic method there are the 3 cases, that is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, and second one is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, and third one is the A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. By comparing and applying these 3 cases, very easily we can find that the system is consistent, inconsistent, or the dependent consistent. There are the 2 properties of the system of the equations, and very easily we can find that it is a unique solutions, these equations have no solutions, and these some equations have infinitely many solutions. And after that I want to discuss that how we can solve for the solutions. There are the 3 methods. First is the substitution method, second is the elimination method, and third is the cross multiplication method. This is the whole chapter, students. So let us start to solve the question which is given in the exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. I think these exercises have been already done. So if anybody not done, please do fast and do it. And after that in 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6, these such types of concepts and knowledge will be very useful to solve the questions which is given in the exercises. Thank you. I am remaining in the classes. If any kind of doubts, problems and any difficulty arises, you may contact to me, you will share to me. I will solve all your doubts and clarify very easiest method for the solutions of the equations, which is your problems. Thank you.